Hey everyone, Riser45 here, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to get PokeMMO onto your Android device. It is available for Android. Didn't used to be, now it is. Now we just go to Google, and I remember I'm already on the PokeMMO site, but you just search PokeMMO, and you should be able to find the home screen. So you're supposed to go to Downloads, and then you press Android, and then you have to register for step 1. I've already registered. You can go do that yourself. All you have to do is press register here, and you'll be able to register. And then it says download APK. She requires an Android 5.0 lollipop or higher. And then turn on unlimited sources. You can click there to know how. And then install the app and run PokeMMO using the application launcher. But you also have to get the ROMs. Now the ROMs, they aren't too hard to download. You do have to get another, like a file explorer, unless you, I can't remember, does the Android have a, I think the Android has a thing that you can extract files, but I recommend that you download a file explorer. Anyway, so you download the APK. And then we'll just wait for that to install. And while that's installing, how we talk about the ROMs. So the ROMs, I remember correctly if black and white is required. So let's do that one first. So, oh, didn't mean to do that, but. So just like search up Pokemon Black and White ROM. And you should be able to find it, which I found here. And then you just press download. But I already have it installed, so I'll just, yeah. All you have to do is press download. And then if you want the other ROMs, so say for example Fire Red, search up Pokemon Fire Red ROM download. Oh, technical difficulties, be right back. Okay, we're back. Anyway, Pokemon Fire Red ROM download. There you go. There's the ROMs. Now, for the other ones, you basically do the same. You have to download them. And yeah, looks like Pokemon MMO is ready. So we're going to click on Pokemon MMO. Install. Give it a second. Okay, app installed. Now open. Now you see here it tells you to select some files. So the best thing to do here is well, you really just press select file, and you see black and white ROM is required, because that's what most of the game is based on. So you press select file, but we're not going to do that yet because, actually I'll just show you. So you allow them to do that, and then go, so you see I already have Fire Red unzipped, but let's go to one that's not. Find, okay, Pokemon Black version, zip. Now we press the zip one, you have to please unzip the file before doing it. So, I'll show you how to do that right now. You go to your file explorer of any choice, as long as they have an extract. I personally chose CX File Explorer. and then you just go to your main storage, go to download, and then Pokemon Black version zip. We'll just do Archie Viewer. Oh wait, never mind, I pressed the wrong one, sorry. Okay, this one. Huh. Oh, extract all. Downloads. Extract here. Overwrite. So then you just extract it like that. Though, hold on, cancel. Though I'm sure. There we go. You have to hold down on it. There we go. Finally figured it out. So just press extract. And then extract here. So I'll cancel that again. Because we can also go to, looks like File Manager as well. File Manager also works. Maybe. Yes, it does work. Okay. So we'll just do it from File Manager real quick. Though I might have been too late to tell you not to install CX with your File Manager. That comes with the Android anyway, so sorry. I didn't realize File Manager was this too. Okay. And never mind, file type is not supported, so File Manager does not work. Just letting you know right now. So just yeah. Just end my suffering, please. Extract here, and now we wait for it to extract. Okay, so the file is extracted. Now we go back to Pokemon MMO. And then we select File. Not that. Select File. Go to Download. And then select your unzipped Pokemon game. And then there he goes. Downloaded into the game. I also have my Fire Red, which was the one I'm playing on right now. I'm going to put that back in. And now it's loaded. And you do the same for Emerald, Heart Gold, that too. You have to get the ROMs, and then you select the file, the unzip file, and you have it. And game must be restarted after. After you do that, then you can load into the game. Loading. Now it's going to install some stuff. Okay, now that's all done. We just select your language. Of course, I'm doing English. And yeah. When you get to log in with your registered account, you should have registered first. I'll just quickly undo me. I'll quickly put in my info. Okay, now we're into the servers. So now we log in. And then usually, if you're just starting, you make a new character. But since I already have a character, I don't need to create one. And yeah, there we go. That should be it on this tutorial on how to install Pokemon MMO to your Android device.